Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class, and we will be beginning with a new lesson today. That's lesson 12, perimeter and area. Now this lesson is divided into two parts. First, we will be learning what is perimeter, and then we will be learning about area. So let's begin with perimeter. Now this word perimeter is divided into two parts. If you break it up, it will be peri plus meter. Now what does peri means? Peri means around and meter means measure. So you can say perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed figure. Now what do I mean by this? This diagram will help you a little better. This is a rectangle. What I mean by closed figure is the figure with all the sides, and perimeter is the total distance of all the sides. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. When you measure all 4 sides, then it is called the perimeter of that figure. Explain to you a little more clear. Perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of all the 4 sides of the rectangle. Now you know, children, rectangles have 4 sides. We had learned this in that lesson, geometrical figures. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, and some meaning the measures will be given to you all and you have to add them here. Here is a rectangle. Now if you see, there are two different measures given over here. One is 5 centimeter and the other is 2. Why? Because as I said earlier, rectangle have opposite sides equal. So 5 and 5 centimeter, 2 and 2 centimeter. So let's see now how to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. They have said the sum of all the 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's begin. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of the 4 sides. Okay. So let's take the sum of the length. 5. Then I'll write plus 2. Then I'll write 5 again. And then I'll write plus 2. I repeat. 5. Then I went 2, 5 and 2. And I wrote the plus sign because it shows it over here, that sum. Sum meaning add. So let us add. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 2 is 14. So the answer is 14 centimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle, the perimeter of this rectangle is 14 centimeter. I hope, children, you have understood the meaning of perimeter and how to find out. One more example, perimeter of a square. Now the perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of all the 4 sides. So rectangle and square, the definition is more or less the same. It's 4 sides, it's sum. But only thing difference is, when you look at this figure, here there is only one measurement given. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. The same measures are given. Why? Because a square has all the 4 sides equal, while a rectangle had only 2 opposite sides equal. But a square has 4 sides equal. That's why it's 4 centimeters off. So let's find out the perimeter of a square. You have to write the sum of the length of the 4 sides. So I will write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I add all these 4, I get 16. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So the perimeter of a square is 16 centimeter. Moving, perimeter of a triangle. Now the definition will be a little different. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of all the 3 sides. Now if you see, they have said 3 sides. Why? Because a triangle only has 3 sides. Here is a triangle and here are the three different measures of a triangle. So three sides. Remember children, triangle also has all the sides equal. That's an equilateral triangle. But here these three different sides. So let's begin. Perimeter of a triangle, the sum of the length of the three sides. So I will begin with 5 centimeter plus 4 plus 3. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So my answer is 12 centimeter. So the perimeter of a triangle is 12 centimeter. So let's do one exercise based on this lesson. Exercise 1. Find the perimeter of the following. A figure with length 12 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now here children, they have said a figure. Earlier what we saw was a drawing. Now that means you have to draw a figure with length. Now they have given only 2. When do I get 2 different lengths? So how will I know whether it's a rectangle, a square or a triangle? Remember, triangle has 3 sides. Square is all the sides equal. Yes, it is the rectangle here. This rectangle, remember 2 of its sides are equal. So I will begin with 12 centimeter over here. The opposite side will also be 12 centimeter. Then I'll write 7 centimeters and the opposite will be also 7 centimeters. That's why they gave only 2. So you have to remember that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That's why they gave only 2 measures. You have to write the remaining 2 on your own. So let's begin. Perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of the 4 sides. So I will write 12 plus 7 plus 12 plus 7. Now here children, I will be adding it vertically. If you find it difficult, you can easily, I'll be adding it horizontally. If you want, you can add it vertically and then write the answer. Now 12 plus 7 is 19, and over here also 12 plus 17 is 19. So 19 plus 19 is 38. I repeat, you can also show your working, showing them horizontally if you want. Vertically if you want. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 38 centimeter. Let me finish off with one more example. A figure with length 9 centimeter. Now here they have given you only one length. So which figure it is? Yes, it's a square, because a square has all the 4 sides equal. So I can put the same measures everywhere. 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Begin. Perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of the 4 sides. So I will write 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 4 times. So you either say the tables of 4 or tables of 9, or you can straight away add it vertically or horizontally. You have many choice. I will say the tables of, if I want, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18, 27, 36. So my answer is 36. So the perimeter of a square is 36 centimeter. Children, I hope you have understood this, the first part of the chapter, that's perimeter. Teacher will be sending you notes based on this lesson.